Now we're going to practice complementary and supplementary angles. Here's our figure. I'm going to have one right angle. Let's label these points A, B, C, D, E, F, G. At the vertex, we'll say that this angle 54 degrees, and here we have 77 degrees. We're going to be given that line segment CG is perpendicular to line segment GE. We're also given angle AGB equals 77 degrees. Angle CGD equals 54 degrees. And angle FGC equals 157 degrees. Now we're going to determine the measures of angle DGE angle BGC, angle AGF, and angle FGE. In order to determine DGE and all of these angles, we're going to use what's given. So we're looking at DGE. We know that CGE, angle CGE equals 90 degrees. And we know that based off of this right angle sign. We know that CGD equals 54 degrees. So CGE equals 90. CGD plus DG, forgot my angle, plus angle DGE has to equal 90. So we know what this is. We have 54 plus angle DGE equals 90. Now I subtract my 54, and I'm left with angle DGE equals to 36 degrees. Now I want to look at BGC. BGC. So I know here I have angle AGD is a straight angle. Right, so this is for part 1. Angle AGD equals 180 degrees. So that means that AGB, angle AGB plus angle BGC, BGC plus angle CGD equals 180 degrees. I'm given this angle is 77, and I'm given that this is 54. So I'm going to go to my workspace here, and I'll have that 77 plus 54 is 131. Now I know that 131 plus angle BGC equals 180. I'll subtract 131, I subtract 131, and I'm left with angle BGC equals 249 degrees. Okay, this next part, AGF, AGF. So we know that FGC is given, and FGC equals 157 degrees. So if FGC is 157 and AGF is a part of it, and we know 77, and now we know BGC, we can find out what this is. So we have angle AGF plus angle AGB plus angle BGC equals angle FGC, which equals 157. I have AGB 77. I just got previously BGC is 131, is 49. BGC is 49. So I add 77 plus 49, which gives me 126, and I subtract from 157. That leaves me with angle AGF equals 157 minus 126, which equals 31 degrees. Now the last angle we're looking for, angle FGE, we can find it from subtracting all of the previous angles. So we're looking at FGE, which is here. We just got angle AGF is 31. We have AGB is 77. We have BGC is 49. We have we know that CGE equals 90. So if you add them up, we can just add. We'll start with this previous one. Before. So we have 49, or we'll start with the very last one, 31 plus 77 plus 49, again I'm going clockwise, plus, we know that this is 90, plus 90, So we have 9 and 1 is 10, 7, 17, 3, 4, 4 is 8, 15, 26, 267. And we could subtract 360 minus 267, which equals 113. And so now we found all of our angles just from what was given.